Chivhayo, the controversial businessman, has faced a major setback. His bid to become the exclusive Starlink agent in Zimbabwe was denied. And it wasn't just a slap on the wrist, it came despite a direct order from President Emerson Mnangagwa. The Postal and Telecommunications Regulatory Authority of Zimbabwe, POTRAZ, decided to issue licenses to multiple operators instead. Why? According to POTRAZ, Chivhayo's initial licensing violated their regulations. This decision is more than just a bureaucratic hiccup. It follows buzzing reports about Mnangagwa's family having vested interests in Starlink. It also casts a spotlight on the regulatory hurdles that Starlink and other tech giants face as they try to expand in Africa. So, what's next for Starlink in Zimbabwe? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the landscape of digital connectivity in Africa is anything but predictable. Stay tuned for more updates as this story unfolds.